Good afternoon, Russell Geist here with Construction Specialties. I have Jeff Blake with me who's going to help me. We're going to do a quick demonstration of how to install our Vert-A-Cade products. This particular one is a Vert-A-Cade 304. When you order this material, what's going to come out to the job site is going to be a whole bunch of channels with blade braces already attached to them, spaced at whatever space and was determined for that project. It's really easy. What you want to do is when you're installing these channels is make sure they're all level with each other, because if one is a little higher than the other, the blades, when you install them, they're going to start waving at you. So you want to either use a string level, laser level, whatever tool you have to make sure that you can run a nice straight level across them. I'd probably pick the top of a blade brace to use as your guide. You don't have to check every one of them. Maybe one towards the top, one towards the bottom. Just make sure everything is good and you'll be good to go. The way this product is usually provided is the blades can be up to a length of 20 feet long in a single piece. So you'll have channels with these blade braces every 3, 4, 5 feet on center. So you could have 6, 7, or 8 of these things to fully support that 20-foot long blade. You'll want to check your shop drawings to see where the blade alignment is in relation to those channels behind. If it's a splice condition, you're going to have a 1/4 inch gap in between your blades when they're installed. So you want to see, when I install the blade, does that 1/4 inch gap start and stop on the outside of the channel? So like this line right in here, if I have a 1/4 inch gap in between my channels come together, or maybe not even a channel at all, it's just no two channels together, but a single one. If that gap is right here, then I can just align my blade with that end here and then snap it and then go to the other direction. Or if it's on here, I'm gonna do it and go the other direction. So it's really simple to do. I'll do one right here for you quickly. Like I said, one, you gotta make sure you're gonna install in the right direction. This particular model installs like this. So you would be in that orientation. Other ones, it's a reverse like that. It's like the flipped version of a louver blade. So it's gonna be more like that. And obviously these blade braces you'd have to flip that whole thing, but all of that's gonna get worked out in shop drawings. Make sure you're installing them in the right orientation, that you've installed the channels the right orientation. So, like I said, all you're gonna do, this is the back of the blade here. This is the front of the blade. Sometimes you can help looking at the screw bosses, but don't count on that. What you do, you got it up into the hook here, up into the hook here. I'm gonna get that blade right to the edge of that channel here, and I'm just gonna lightly push down on this, not too hard, just to hear that nice metallic snap. Holding it here, I'm gonna come back and do the same thing. And I will continue that down the entire run of this. Once you snap this blade into more than one blade brace, it's gonna be very difficult to slide it back and forth. And if it's into a 3rd, a 4th, a 5th, or a 6th blade brace, you're not moving it. So you'd have to uninstall it somehow. And it's not easy to do it, and we don't recommend it. Because these blade braces, if you push down on it too hard, you can deform it. And when you've got 2 blades aligning, like here, you're gonna end up one down here versus the one up here. And I'm exaggerating, but that, to give you an idea, that's what you're gonna see. It's not gonna look good. So again, all you need to do, put that in. I'm engaged over here and here. I'm lining it up right here. Snap, snap. I'm just gonna continue going right through. You'll see how quick this can be done. If you notice that last one, I didn't even have my hand over here. I had it like midway and it still snapped. Gets a little harder to see when you're short like me, but we find a way. And just like that, we're all done. No caulking needed, nothing. Once you're done, that's it. That's all there is to it. Thank you for your time.